Welcome to Mr. Darkman TV, your ultimate destination for deep dives into the most thrilling and hot stories. If you love explosive stories, shocking twists, and the truth behind glamorous headlines, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's sizzling expose, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Mr. Darkman TV, where the glitz meets the grit. In a year brimming with royal weddings, political shakeups, and worldwide beauty pageants, few stories have shaken the African continent, and indeed the global pageant community, like the shocking withdrawal of Tracy Nabukira, Miss Tanzania 2023, from the prestigious Miss World 2025 competition. With the grand finale scheduled to take place in May 2025 at India's illustrious Chowmahalla Palace, pageant fans were eagerly awaiting Tracy's elegant arrival. Yet, with just weeks to go, the crown slipped away. In a heartfelt interview with The Citizen, Natasha Keoktangilira, a journalist and public relations expert, shared how she supported her daughter, Tracy Nabukira, in achieving her dream of becoming Miss Tanzania 2023. Recognizing Tracy's passion for modeling from a young age, Natasha encouraged her to pursue it while also emphasizing the importance of education. During the demanding boot camp phase of the competition, Natasha provided unwavering support, tending to Tracy's injuries and motivating her to stay focused. She advocates for parents to nurture their children's unique talents alongside academic pursuits, challenging traditional norms that often prioritize conventional career paths over individual passions. In a heartfelt and devastating statement posted on her official Instagram handle, Tracy cited a lack of support, poor communication, and inadequate preparation from the organizing body in Tanzania as the reasons for her exit. But this wasn't just about a withdrawal. It was the beginning of a scandal that revealed the rot in the Tanzanian beauty pageant system, a tale of glamour tainted with silence, politics, betrayal, and a fight for dignity. Tracy's dramatic departure wasn't simply a personal choice, it became a national conversation. Her courage to speak up opened the floodgates of historical grievances, questions of mismanagement, and the ethics of representation in one of the most high-pressure platforms in the world. And today, we are unpacking every single detail of this firestorm, from Tracy's meteoric rise to stardom, to the behind-the-scenes power struggles, to the emotional toll of being a queen with no kingdom. As the glitter settles and the headlines shift to new queens and new controversies, one truth remains etched in the heart of every Tanzanian who watched this drama unfold: Tracy Nabukira did not walk away defeated. She walked away dignified. Her decision, though heartbreaking, has opened a critical conversation about how we support our national icons. About how crowns are not just ornaments, but responsibilities, and responsibilities demand respect, structure, and real empowerment. In Tracy's own words, this decision comes from a place of love for myself, my supporters, and the values I stand for. If Tanzania learns from this moment, if the voices raised today lead to reforms tomorrow, then Tracy's withdrawal will not be a retreat. It will be a revolution. To Tracy, for your grace under fire, for your voice when silence was easier, and for standing tall when the system failed to stand behind you, we say thank you. You may not be on the Miss World stage, but you've left a mark that is impossible to ignore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another jaw-dropping expose from Mr. Darkman TV. Until next time, keep your crowns polished, your truths louder, and your standards higher.